you suffering from reddish round skin lesions like these? Are they occurring again and again and spreading to other parts of your body in spite of taking a lot of medications? Are you annoyed because of the time and money you have spent to treat this infection? Okay, my dear friend, you might be suffering from superficial fungal infection or tinea or ringworm, or as we call it as Daat. And I, Dr. Isha V. Mittal, NMD dermatologist, cosmetologist, laser and hair transplant expert, is here to guide you, to help you regarding its some do's and don'ts and its prevention and treatment of superficial fungal infection or tinea or ringworm or Daat. Okay, there are almost 5 main reasons because of which tinea or superficial fungal infection or Daat occurs. First and foremost is poor hygiene. Second is wearing tight fitted clothes. Third is hot and humid climate. Fourth is having low immunity. And fifth, if any of your family members is having it, then you might also get infected from it. What you need to do for its prevention or its recurrence? Okay, first and foremost, you have to maintain a very good hygiene, bath daily, change your clothes daily, always wash your used clothes in warm water, dry them in the sunlight, and then iron them before wearing them the next time. Okay, and keep your belongings like your clothes, your comb, your towels, etc. separately from the rest of the family. Okay. The another thing is this tinea or the Daat tends to occur in the body areas where sweat accumulates, like in axilla region, thigh region, genital region, lower breast area region, and from there they spread to the rest parts of the body. So what you need to do, you need to wear loose cotton based clothes. Don't wear tight fitted clothes because that will lead to sweating and humidity conditions for the fungus that develops. So that is a very additive environment for the causative organism. So you need to wear loose cotton based clothes so that even if the sweat occurs, it dries out fast. Thirdly, you have to have a very good immunity so that you don't get infected very fast. And fourthly, if any of your family members is infected, then get them fully treated. Wash their clothes separately, keep them away, keep their clothes and belongings separately from the rest of the family. Okay, but first and most important is complete treatment from a qualified dermatologist should be taken. Okay, what's the most common mistakes that we do while treating fungal infections? Okay, in our day-to-day OPD basis, we see a lot of patients who come after applying a lot of medications, mainly over-the-counter medications. What their history normally is कि मैम जैसे ही इन्फेक्शन होता है उसके ऊपर हम वो क्रीम लगाते हैं तो वो ठीक हो जाता है, पर फिर दोबारा होता है, उससे भी बड़ा घेरा उठ के आता है. दैट इज़ द मोस्ट कॉमन हिस्ट्री दैट वी कम अक्रॉस. So why is it so? Because those over-the-counter medications are basically combination creams. They are 2 to 3 to 4 salts in them. What they do, they just decrease the redness or the inflammation, but they don't treat the causative organism or the underlying cause. So please avoid these over-the-counter medications because you are just wasting your money. And please do take treatment from a qualified dermatologist. Don't self-medicate because you don't know that according to your body weight, other body issues, what medication or what salt or what medicine would suit you, because your body area, your body weight, your other body issues matter while giving medications. Okay, so I hope this video helps you out regarding some do's, don'ts, prevention and treatment. My only concern to you all is please follow these prevention methods as I've told you in this video. And if you get this infection, please get treatment from a qualified dermatologist. And please complete the full treatment because sometimes this also occurs that in first visit only some patients get full very good results. But sometimes there are so many layers in the skin that the lesion might not be visible superficially, but it might be underlying. So the complete treatment, adequate treatment is very important for its treatments. Sometimes it takes patients for 2 to 3 months to complete the whole treatment. So kindly follow your prescription thoroughly and follow these prevention methods. Hope this video is helpful to you in these difficult times. Keep smiling and don't forget to be the best version of you.